Imagine this. You wake up and two suns blaze in the sky. The morning light is twice as bright, casting double shadows on everything around you. It sounds like science fiction, but what if Earth orbited two stars instead of one? This scenario, known as a binary star system, is more common in the universe than you might think. Our familiar sun, a yellow dwarf star, would have a stellar companion. This companion could be a smaller red dwarf or even another yellow dwarf. This is not so far-fetched. Many stars in the universe exist in binary systems. In fact, about half of all stars are part of such systems. Having two suns would dramatically alter Earth as we know it. The climate, seasons, and even the way plants grow would be different. Everything from the length of our days to the evolution of life itself would be affected. The extra sunlight could mean longer days and shorter nights, impacting sleep cycles and animal behaviors. Let's delve into how this cosmic twist would play out. How would our world adapt to such a dramatic change in its celestial environment? With two suns, gone would be the familiar cycle of day and night. Depending on the configuration of their orbits, we might experience near-constant daylight for extended periods. Imagine the implications for sleep patterns, plant life, and energy consumption. Earth's seasons are dictated by the tilt of our planet's axis as it orbits the sun, but with two suns, the gravitational dance would be more complex, leading to unpredictable and potentially extreme seasonal shifts. Picture summers far hotter and winters far colder than we've ever known. The presence of two suns would inject significantly more energy into Earth's climate system, leading to a cascade of changes that could alter the very fabric of our environment. We'd likely see a warmer planet overall, with potentially drastic consequences for ice caps, sea levels, and weather patterns. The additional energy could accelerate the melting of polar ice, causing sea levels to rise at unprecedented rates. Imagine more frequent and intense hurricanes, droughts, and other extreme events. The increased energy input could fuel more powerful storms and exacerbate dry conditions, leading to widespread wildfires and prolonged droughts. Gravity is a fundamental force in the universe, and two suns would exert a complex gravitational pull on Earth. This dual gravitational influence could create a tug-of-war effect, impacting everything from ocean tides to tectonic activity. This could affect our planet's orbit, potentially making it more elliptical and subject to greater variation in distance from the sun's. Such changes could lead to more extreme seasonal variations and unpredictable climate patterns. Imagine the implications for our planet's stability and long-term habitability. The delicate balance that sustains life on Earth could be disrupted, challenging our ability to adapt and survive in a binary star system. Life on Earth has proven remarkably adaptable over billions of years. From the deepest oceans to the highest mountains, life has found a way to thrive in a multitude of environments. This adaptability is a testament to the resilience and ingenuity of living organisms. In a world with two suns, life would face new challenges and opportunities. The presence of two suns would mean more light and heat, which could drastically alter the planet's climate and ecosystems. Plants might evolve different photosynthetic pathways to utilize the increased solar energy, potentially leading to new forms of plant life that are more efficient at capturing and using sunlight, while animals might develop adaptations for navigating in near-constant light, such as reflective skin to deflect some of the intense sunlight or larger eyes to manage the brightness. They might also need to cope with extreme temperature swings, as the presence of two suns could create more drastic differences between day and night temperatures. Humans, too, would need to adapt our behaviors and technologies. We might develop advanced cooling systems and protective clothing to handle the increased heat. We might develop new forms of architecture to shield ourselves from the intense radiation, incorporating materials that reflect or absorb the excess sunlight. Our sleep cycles and social structures might evolve in response to the altered day-night patterns, leading to new ways of living and interacting with one another. It's a fascinating thought experiment about the resilience of life and the boundless possibilities of the cosmos. The idea of adapting to a binary sun system challenges our understanding of biology and the limits of life.